Being loaded set, ready for racing. Racing, looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race, and there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of Spring Singer, moving upon the outside zero screen. Then next online, Amiga, April Style Trip to Heaven, Angel of Mercy is running by the rail and going along for the first turn with Spring Singer by about 2 lengths, and in second is Silver Screen, April Style. Angel of Mercy is down on the inside port. Amiga is racing in fifth. Then comes Louis Alexa, Trip to Heaven, Directors, Diba, Yellow Cat, Heron, Lucky Man, Mahiwaga. Tisay comes next, while Priceless Joy is racing in 14th. Back to the leader is Spring Singer, enjoying a length lead. April Style now in second, moving up now on the outside is Silver Screen. Amiga, Angel of Mercy, Trip to Heaven comes next. Last 400 meters of the race is Spring Singer by about 2 lengths now. And in second is April Style, moving up down on the inside is Angel of Mercy. Last there's Rainbow Home. Spring Singer by about 2 lengths. April Style is on the outside, down by Angel of Mercy. Last 15 years, Rob is Spring Singer from start to finish. April Style, then comes Louis Alexa, close, Directors Diba, Amiga.
At banderang tapos yan, number 1, Spring Singer. Ang official winner natin.